This is the Genesis G80. As part of the driver assistance system in your Genesis G80, some models may be equipped with the intelligent speed limit assist function. This system uses information detected from road signs combined with navigation system data to let the driver know the speed limit and other important information. Additionally, intelligent speed limit assist aids the driver in maintaining the posted speed limit. To adjust the settings for this system to assist, warning only or off, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Speed Limit. Speed limit information mode only informs you of the current speed limit and additional road signs. Speed limit warning builds upon this by also informing the driver if the vehicle is exceeding the current detected speed limit. When using Smart Cruise Control, Speed Limit Assist allows you to switch to the current speed limit by pressing the plus/minus steering wheel switch. If off is selected, the Intelligent Speed Limit Assist feature will be disabled. Speed Limit Offset allows you to set a speed that is higher or lower than the current speed limit when activating Speed Limit Assist. It allows an offset of plus or minus by 10 miles per hour in increments of 5 miles per hour. For example, if the speed limit is 40 miles per hour and you have an offset of -10, Smart Cruise Control will be set to 30 miles per hour when pressing the minus steering wheel switch. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.